Hey folks, welcome to another day, another unboxing. I now have here in front of me the Vissles keyboard. I'm not sure if this was like a misspelling of wireless, but it came from Hong Kong and it's a very nice metal frame, aluminum frame, mechanical laptop keyboard. So it's still like a shallow key keyboard like, you'd have on an iMac or something, but it was more clicketiness and more key travel. So I was interested in that because I'm a Mac user. They also have a PC, a Windows version. If you want a PC Windows version, that is a thing. So don't freak out, that's available. But I wanted the Mac version because I'm a Mac user primarily. I do have Windows and Linux boxes too, guys. Don't freak out. All right, so that's what the box looks like. Here are some specs, okay? So what's it called? Bluetooth or wired mode, Mac or Windows, 85 key RGB backlighting, so you can change it and set it. Type-C port for charging and for connection wired. You have a 2000 milliamp hour battery and some low profile optical switches. Not bad. And honestly, it just looks slightly bigger than the Mac keyboard that came with my iMac, at least on the photos. So compact 85 keys, ultra thin, wired or wireless, optical switches, dynamic backlight, and multi-OS support. Popping your life with ease. I guess this is gonna pop my cherry. All right, well anyway, did not expect that, folks. I did not expect my cherry to get popped, but I'm gonna try to take this out now. Here we are. And here we go. All right, you ready? Very slow. There we are. Oh, foam inside, nice. Well, the presentation is tops. Check it out. Vissles LP85, low profile mechanical, Mac or Windows. So the Windows people, here you go. Here's what it looks like for Windows. And Mac, all right, this is the Mac version. Ooh, fancy. Ooh, there's a cover, plastic. And, oh yeah, there's some key travel and clickety click, click, click. Nice. All right, let's take this out and see what else is in the box. So we have this, and then we have a divider. Very nice presentation. Oh, the user manual is slightly bent. Oh, that's a disappointing, but I guess it's a user manual. Not very often you get a user manual for your keyboard. As you can see, there's some connectors back there. Type-C, indicator light button. I guess that's for pairing. And some how to adjust the backlight. Nice, you can do that in directly on the keyboard. So that's cool. That's gonna make my life easier. I don't have a backlight on my keyboard. So, all right, and then you get I guess some stickers. Nice, more stickers. Nice, a little thank you note. Thank you. Well, thank you too for sending me this to play with. And then we get a cord, which is USB type A to type C. Nice cord for charging, and it does have a little ferrite thing on it. Nice. All right, let's take a look at this keyboard in closer view. All right, I know you're dying to see this. Okay, so here's the front. Okay, front edge, the bottom, all aluminum. The back. All right, now let's get up close here so you can take a look. So there's a switch. Not a button, but it's actually a switch, and a LED and a USB Type-C port. Now, here's a close look at the keys. Now, I'm not sure if you can hear that. Let me put it near the microphone. Does this satisfy you, the sound? Okay. And I like that it has a full-size function row on top. That's really, really nice. Let me see here. The tripod's kind of here, so. Yeah, ooh, I like this. This is good, folks. So anyway, I'm gonna try this out. Here's this close up. Take a look at the key layout and all the different buttons, because I know you're dying for that. Smells so nice and new and clean. Oh yeah, look at this. This is nice. And then there's an extra row here for page up, page down, home insert. Nice. This is going to take some getting used to, though, to the The T, the inverted T is 1 over from what I'm used to, I think. Because the shift normally goes, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, still, not bad. So I'll put the pricing here. I don't remember what it is as I'm doing this video, but this is a very nice keyboard, folks. Now, I'm not a keyboard snob. Like, I'm not one of those build your own keyboard people. Respect to all my friends who do that. So I'm not a connoisseur, but for me, I like the more shallow key travel of a laptop keyboard. And this delivers that, but with more clickiness, a little more key travel, and more importantly, features like the RGB backlight, full height function keys, and it just makes me happy. So that's it, folks. The Vissles keyboard LP85 Max style. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned for more content. Like, subscribe, tell your friends. Click the little notification bell below. And remember, this is a compliment to my podcast at mobiletechpodcast.com or on Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, Pocket Casts, Spotify, everywhere good podcasts can be found. Subscribe and, stay tuned. I'll have more videos soon. Cheers, everybody.